Hello everybody, this is Rahan. Welcome to another video of Adobe Photoshop class 10. So in this class you see front of a color picker and zoom out, something like that. So in this video we will going to learn those tools. First tool is note and eyedropper tool and hand tool and zoom in tool. Okay, let's move on. So you can see this is Photoshop interface, and now let me show you first tool, which is note tool. So before I take a new document, so I take just okay everybody, let me understand to you. Actually, when use a note tools, you have a lot of design and a lot of save, so you need to the shape mention some description there, you need to mention that. So this purpose we are use note tools. So before that I take another photo which is I understand to you better. Okay, these photos. So actually I love this photo, that's why I take this photo many time. Okay, so now I am show you this tool. Actually when use this tool, note tools use just for like that. I need to describe some about this earth. Okay, many design, many time you have to this design behind a lot of word here or a lot of things that time, and you just use this note and you keep your mind. You don't keep your mind, actually you keep your text or your word in this notepad. Okay, is earth. Okay, so is very nice. Okay, you can take many places many time. Okay, no need that. Okay, I think you got it. Actually why use a notepad. And then another option is audio announce tools. Okay, you can start a audio announce tools. Okay, just let me check it. Oh, stop that. Just I have already microphone connected, that's why it's not working properly. You can do it when you free your desktop or you. Okay, and the next option is eyedropper tool. So eyedropper tool under tool here, this is the color sampler and measure tool. So let's know those tool. Okay, just I little bit skip this tool and it's here. First I understand to you measure tool. Actually I think you got it. Actually what does measure tool? Measure tool just doing measurement. Okay, first I take like this image here. Okay, and you can measure many point from here. Okay, you can do measurement this tool. And the next tool is eyedropper tool. Actually what does eyedropper tool? Let me show you. First I take a new layer and I select this option here. So this selection box area, I want to fill another color. I want to take color this image and this color. Okay, so just see that how can I take this color. Select eyedropper tool and just one click, you see this color, I got it. Okay, and press your keyboard from Alt backspace, I got this color. And you can take this color also, the black color. Okay, and you this color also. So I hope you understand this tool, and this tool is color simulator. Let's see actually what does this tool. First 1 2 or 3, I click a 3 position 3 color. Okay, you see your color number. Okay, so first color and so first color of value here, red this percentage and green this percentage and blue this percentage. Okay, and the similar to 3 number of color value. Okay, and the 2 number of color value. I think you got it. So this is a color sampler. You can know from this tool many color, many values. Okay, so everybody, we are going to know the next tool. Next tool is, first I need to show you this zoom tool. Okay, let me show you. So just click on zoom on time. How much you click on your mouse, you can got a zoom. Okay, and this tool also you can move your page any places. You can move your page. Okay, you can move from this tool anywhere. Okay, so I think you got it. Those tool actually what does and which purpose we are use these tools. You keep practice yourself, and I believe that you use very fluidly. I believe that you use these tools very friendly, and it's actually very easy tool. If you don't practice yourself, I'm pretty sure you forget after a few days. So keep practice yourself and keep learning something new. Okay, which your life is going too well and it's too advanced going your life. Okay, so this video is enough for today. See you the next video. Have a good day.